The next step is social influencing. Now, you have become the proverbial fly on the wall with social listening. You know everything that's going on in the industry. You know what people are talking about, and now you want to use that information to help your business. And this is called social influencing. Now, the previous example I gave you of my network marketing clients who used blogs and content to generate business for her, what she was doing is influencing. She has a lot of information, she has expertise, and she's used that expertise to help others. And when you create value for people, it's almost human nature where if you create value for me, I feel I have to do something for you in return. And that's what influencing creates. It creates an environment where you're creating value, and the people that you're creating value for becomes more endeared to your brand, and they have more positive things to say about you. If you notice, what I'm sharing here is not you trying to sell a product. What I'm sharing is value first. You create value first on social media because people go on social media not to be sold to. They go on social media to network. They go on social media to be entertained. And when what they will gravitate towards are people who are filling that need. So you have to create an environment where your business is stepping in and filling that need. So it's not sell, 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 it's value, value, value. So a question that you should ask yourself is, what are the biggest challenges that your customers are facing? That's very important. If you know the biggest challenge that your customer is facing, it puts you in a position where you can create the perfect product. The next question you should ask is what problem you're solving. And this is something that every entrepreneur and business owner should be thinking about. What problem are you solving for your customers? And when you are able to answer these two questions, then you'll know what kind of conversation and what kind of messages you should be having and putting out to the market in order to influence them. Because once you've put forward information that can help them to solve a problem and to get from where they are having, I'd say to get from the before and after stage, so to speak, you're able to create an environment where you can help them to be successful. So you may be asking, how is it possible for me to influence an audience? And there's two key strategies that you can use. One is you can create your own content. So by creating your own content, that means that you can write a blog, you can create a video, you can create training, tutorials, things like that will help you to influence your audience and to fulfill a need for that audience. The other thing that you can do is use other people's content. So you don't have to create everything. And I can understand why that could be daunting to create everything because it's very time consuming. And most people will probably think a lot and procrastinate and so forth. And then you're losing valuable time in your business. So instead of creating your own content, you can actually find content and be the person that's delivering that content. That's very important because it's not really about who's creating the content, it's all about who's delivering the content. We watch, TV networks, we watch the news, we watch, sports, for example. Their business model is all about providing us access to entertaining content. And you can do the same thing for your business. For your social media platform, you can create a platform where you're a source for content that can help them to save money, to enjoy their day, to have more success in their business, or whatever problem you're solving. You can be the conduit that's delivering that message. The question then is, how do you get this content? In the previous lectures, I showed you how it is that you can do social listening. One of the benefits of social listening is you're actually seeing where this content is coming from. And if there's a reliable source of content that is there, then you can use those channels as a source for providing content for your followers. The next thing that you can do, there's content syndication networks, and one of them that I'll share with you is called Feedly. That's Feedly.com. Feedly.com. And in the next lecture, I'll show you how to use Feedly.com. With Feedly, what they do really well is they will find content from all the best sources on the internet, and they'll provide it all in one platform. And what you can do is log into that system, hit share, and as soon as you hit share, it will share it on your social media networks. So that's one of my strategies. For example, I will share something on Feedly, and immediately I get people who are liking what I'm sharing, they're commenting on what I'm sharing, they thank me for what I'm sharing, and that helps me to build a stronger social media profile.